Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are cooking kare-kareng pata or pork kare-kare. This is for people na hindi pwedeng kumain ng beef. So at the end of this video, if you do like it, give it a thumbs up, share this video to your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. Also tap that bell for notifications for future videos. Okay, so let's start cooking. For our ingredients, we are going to be using pork pata. This is cut in 1 inch thick. Ito yung harapan na paa ng baboy. Mas preferred ko to kasi mas madali siyang palambutin kesa dun sa back leg. This is 1.5 kilos. Now, what we're gonna do, medyo kakaiba ako magkare-kare ng pata. Tino-torch ko muna yung pata. Now, the reason why I do this is to create that charred flavor. Sa akin kasi, masarap talaga yung niluto sa uling or niluto sa kahoy. And we're gonna imitate that flavor by doing this. So, i-char natin yung balat. Hindi natin lulutuin dito. Medyo ito-torch lang natin siya, yung outer skin niya, para mag-create yung flavor na hinahanap ko. So, you do this for all of your pata one by one. O kung meron kayong malaking burner, pwede nyo na rin sabay-sabay na gawin ito. Okay, ganito yung itsura niya pagkatapos nating i-torch yung ating pata. Then, ready na natin itong i-boil. So, imagine yung flavor ng charred skin mapupunta sa sabaw. Sobrang sarap to. So, pag nag-boil tayo, gagamitan natin ng sibuyas and bawang. Huwag natin kakalimutan to because this would eliminate yung lansa ng ating meat. So, tip ito sa inyo for any broth or any nilaga, kung ano man. Lagyan nyo na siya ng sibuyas and garlic habang pinapakulo. So, mawawala talaga yung lansa ng meat. Huwag nyo siyang titipirin, guys. Okay? So, ang ginagawa ko dito is tinatanggal natin yung scum sa sabaw para clean broth. Alright? Kumbaga, ang tawag namin dito mga mumumumu. Tinatanggal natin yan. Hindi natin siya kinakain. We're gonna let this boil for 20 to 30 minutes or until tender. Ewan ko sa inyo, pero ako habang niluluto ko, tinitimplahan ko na siya, guys, kasi I really want the meat to absorb that flavor. So, gagamit ako ng thigh patis. Ito yung available sa bahay namin today. 2 ladles ang ilalagay ko. So, you do this depending on your preference. Kung gusto nyo naman ng asin, no problem. Nasa panlasa nyo yan, guys, or nasa preference ninyo. Once the pork is tender, we do set it aside. Ang ginagawa ko dito, guys, I strain the meat from the broth. Hinihiwalay ko siya. And then, I also strain the broth kasi gusto ko yung malinis na sabaw, walang mumumumong kasama. Sa gulay natin, we have string beans. We also have eggplant. Yung tama lang yung size, guys. Hindi masyadong malalaki. And then, we have banana blossom or puso ng saging. And we have our pechay. Other ingredients would be our garlic and onions na gagamitin natin for sauteing. Medyo marami ako maglagay guys, hindi ko talaga tinitipid sa garlic and onions. And then we have our peanut butter. Plus, we have our cooking oil. And wag na natin pahirapan ng buhay natin to make kare-kare. Let's go for the kare-kare mix. So, we're using Knorr for the kare-kare mix. This is the second stage of cooking our kare-kare guys. So, I put in oil in our pan. Mga 2 tablespoons, kagamitin natin panggisa. I add the garlic first. I-flavor natin yung oil with the garlic. And pag aromatic na siya, we then add our onions. So, ang purpose nito guys, kaya tayo naglalagay ng garlic and onions is para maglasa yung oil natin. Okay, and yung lasa ng aromatics natin, pag napunta na sa oil, when we add our other ingredients, ma-absorb niya to. Next, we are gonna add our banana blossom or puso ng saging. So, the way to prepare this is you soak it in salted water. Okay? Para hindi siya mangitim. And then, before you cook it, you kind of wash it for a little bit para matanggal yung saltiness. And then, you add that to your pan. So, igigisa natin to together with the onions and garlic. Medyo matagal lutuin ang puso ng saging guys. So, once we see it, medyo nagwi-wilt or medyo nalalanta na sa paggisa natin, we can then start adding yung broth. Remember yung broth na sabi kong hiniwalay ko and then I strained it. Ito yung gagamitin natin pang sabaw sa kare-kare. Now, depending on yung consistency na gusto nyo, kung gusto nyo ba na malapot na kare-kare or malabnaw, it's up to you guys. Pero ako gusto ko yung medyo malapot. And then we start adding our kare-kare mix. Mabilis na lang to guys. Malapit na tayo matapos. So, we're adding 2 packs for that 1.5 kilo ng pork pata. I add a little bit more water kasi nga gusto ng families medyo ma-sauce, nabubuhay kami sa sauce. Now, it's time to add the peanut butter. Kalahati ng bote yung ilalagay ko. Meron naman kaming trusted na mabibilhan sa palengke. So, okay na yun guys since iluluto nyo rin lang naman. Pero kung hindi kayo sure sa non-branded na peanut butter, ang i-recommend kong brand is Lily's. Yung hindi masyado matamis. Yung original ng Lily's. After we add our peanut butter, let's add our pork pata into our pot. And then let it boil for another 10 minutes or so or until the sauce has thickened. At this point, this is when you do the adjustment on the seasoning. If you want to add a little bit more patis or salt, you can add pepper if you want. Pero ito hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng pepper. Ewan ko kung bakit. Parang gusto ko lang yung clean flavor ng mani or your peanut butter and patis. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ko ilalagay dito yung vegetables natin. So, binoil ko yon separately. For me kasi, yung shelf life ng kare-kare, mas nagtatagal siya kung hindi mo pa hinahalo yung gulay natin. So, papakita ko sa inyo later on kung anong ginawa ko sa gulay. We are now down to the last few minutes of our cooking. Ito yung consistency na gusto nyo makita guys. Yung malapot na yung sauce, kompleto na yung timpla, alat, tamis ng peanut butter. And sa akin, gusto ko yung medyo nalalasog-lasog yung meat. Kasi nga gusto ko sobrang lambot nung karne natin. For our vegetables, we boiled it. So, inartihan natin ng konti yung sitaw for presentation purposes. And then, again, yung talong, binoil natin. Ito yung mga medium size lang, good for one person, one piece. And this is how we serve it with the kare-kare for presentation purposes. Now, if you want a side dish of ginisang alamang, you can do so. Pero dun sa mga ayaw na mga alat, this is enough. Please do visit my Facebook page, which is Being a Foodie at its Finest, or you can go to my Instagram account, which is Classic Curvy Chic. So I hope you like this video, guys, and give me comments if you tried making this recipe, and thank you for watching.